Welcome to HDRi Maker installation. This installation method is for users who purchased on SuperHive and use Blender 4.2 or later. Please note, since the release of Blender 4.2, the extension system has been introduced. So if you were already using HDRi Maker in the past, make sure it is already installed as an extension. To check if HDRi Maker is installed as an add-on or as an extension, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons. Search for HDRi Maker. If you see the word Legacy, as in this case, deactivate the add-on and uninstall it by pressing the Uninstall button. If you do not have Auto-Save Preferences enabled, press the Save Preferences button. Go to your SuperHive order page. Now, from the order page, click the Go to Downloads button. Drag and drop the add-on from the order page directly into your Blender window. Please note, in the following steps, we will configure the SuperHive repository. If you have already done this, you can safely skip to the next chapter. Click Add Repository when prompted. Go to your order page and click SuperHive API token. Press Copy button. Checkmark on Requires Access token. Paste the code into the secret text box. Press Create button. Go to Blender Preferences. Get Extensions. In the Search Extension box, enter the name HDRi Maker. Now click Install, and you will see the add-on being downloaded from the SuperHive repository directly into your Blender. Go to the Add-ons tab and search for HDRi Maker. Make sure the checkbox is selected, which indicates that the add-on is successfully installed and activated. Important, if you don't have automatic settings saving enabled, make sure to save your preferences. If you have configured the SuperHive repository, it allows you to update all add-ons directly from Blender, which is really convenient. Now that the add-on is installed, the next step is to install the necessary libraries to start working with HDRi Maker. Go back to your orders page and start downloading the Exapack files. I recommend starting by downloading the main vol001 Exapack file and the 1K files, followed by the 2K files, and so on, up to 4K, 8K, 16K. Now let's go into Blender and open the panel by pressing the N key, making sure you are on the HDRi Maker tab. Press the Go to Install button. Now press the Default Library button. This path is where the libraries will actually be installed. Make sure to choose a location on your computer with enough space to contain all the libraries. Now press the Choose Exapacks button and look for the path where you downloaded the Exapacks. Select your Exapacks to install. For convenience, I will show you how to install the entire library all at once using the full version of the HDRi Maker library as an example. Press the button. Now, based on the Exapacks you selected, you will see a list of Exapacks populate. Press Install. Now the process will install all the Exapacks to the destination, creating the HDRi Maker library. By default, each installed Exapack file will have its original Exapack file removed to optimize disk space. The speed of this installation process depends heavily on the processor speed and especially on the type of hard drive. Once the process is complete, press Installation Finished and restart Blender. Now HDRi Maker is ready for use. You will see all the libraries you installed in the HDRi Maker asset browser. Thank you for your attention and enjoy HDRi Maker.